Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video we will continue where we left previous lesson. We finalized our first commitment. Before starting my video, do not forget subscribe my channel and turn on notification, guys, as great content are on the way. Okay, let's continue with our log command. Before starting, I'm going to add some files. Let's click here, touch new.txt, touch new Excel file XLS. Okay, let's have a look our status. Let's add them all. Sorry, we need to put a space here. Let's have a look status again. Git commit --m. New files are added. Our explanation. Commitment is done. Let's have a look our log now. It's a simple command. Just type git log and enter, and you will see what kind of commitment we done. The first one we did the initial start, and before lesson I try to add some files. These are other commands, and now we add these two file. As you can see, which one is the new txt and new Excel file. Okay, let's continue. Now I'm going to delete this file and that file, also the one, and these 4 files has been gone. Let's have a look now our status. As you can see, 4 files is deleted. Let's git add them to staging area. Let's have a look our status. Here we go. Let's make a commitment. Commit --m. 4 files are deleted. Let's delete this white space. Alright, let's have a look our status now. Nothing here. Let's have a look our logging. As you can see, guys, 4 files are deleted here. So I would like to go back. I just think a little bit. I need those 4 files again, so I need to go back. So I'm going to use checkout command. Git checkout, and I'm going to use the commit code. You can say ID, doesn't matter how you called. We couldn't copy. Let's copy again. Right click copy, right click paste. No, sometimes it's happening, guys. Just delete it and try to copy and paste again. Copy, paste. Okay, perfect. And space double dash space dot. When we click enter, hopefully we're going to receive our deleted 4 files again. As you can see, we received them all. Let's have a look our git status. As you can see, they are recorded as a new file. Let's commit again. --m. 4 files received again. Alright, let's have a look our log. As you can see, 4 files are deleted and 4 files received again. This is our latest logging information. If you would like to go back more, you can go the first command. First commit, it doesn't matter, guys, but this is how it's working. Okay, I guess versioning is done. Let me have a look at my notes. Bring back, yep. We need to see the difference, right? Okay, let's try to change the definition, I mean explanation in the our files. I'm gonna close those unnecessary files. Yeah. Okay. New explanation here. Let's save it. Let's type here git status. As you can see, test.txt file has been modified, and we need to see the difference before and after. So we use git diff. The file name is test.txt. As you can see, guys, there is new explanation here is added. There is a green color and there is a plus in front of the sentence. So let's change a little bit more. Actually, let's send it to local repository and try to delete the text and see how it look like when we use the diff command. Okay, let's git add dot git commit --m text edit done. Let's try to delete this section and add Happy New Year. Let's save and let's see what's gonna happen now. Let's have a look status first and see which one is changed. Yeah, test.txt has been modified. Git diff test.txt. As you can see, guys, new explanation here is gone. Instead of we add new explanation and Happy New Year. So you can see the difference here. Let's git add dot git commit --m text are modified. All right. Let's have a look our log. This is our latest log, guys. Okay, if you see that double dot here, just press Q from your keyboard and it's gone. All right. Let me see how many minutes has been done. It's already been 8 minutes. Okay, let's finish this lesson here. And next lesson we will continue with the restore, remove, move, and alias maybe. Yeah, we can go until alias, I think. All right, let's finish this lesson here. I want you to guys crash the like button, and if you have some questions, drop comment below the video. Take care of yourself. See you on next lesson. Bye bye.